Hi everyone, this is Sam from Cloud Tech World. Today we will be looking at AWS SSM parameter types. So this is a third parameter type in the parameter section of CloudFormation. So far we have seen two different type of parameters. The first one is AWS specific parameter types. So that's what we have seen, that we have used keypair as an example. The next one is string type parameters. The third one we are going to today is SSM parameter type. So let's check the documentation for this. So this is a third type of parameter. So in this example, what I'm showing here, so we will be creating an EC2 instance with a custom security group. If you want to know about this more, you can check my previous videos. So there I have explained more on this. We'll be making use of parameters. The first parameter type we are using is AWS specific parameter types. So here I have given my keypair as a parameter types. So I will be referring the same in the logical ID in the east instance as well. Similarly for availability zone also we are referring. So it will be chosen from the list. If you want to know more about this different type of parameters, I already explained in a different video for each of the parameters. The third type today we are going to see is SSM parameter types. So for this demo, so we will be, instead of giving this instance type manually, we will be using the system manager SSM parameter types. So I'm giving logical name as my instance type. So you can give any logical name. So description is for our reference. So next one is this is a man type parameter. This is type. So for type, we are going to make use of this parameters with the value string. So I just copy that to type. So next thing one we need is we can give, okay, before giving this. So let's create this SSM parameter type in the AWS console. So first go to system manager. Choose the parameter store, which is on the left side. Click on create parameter. You can give any name. I am giving this as a reference. Description is optional only. So I'm choosing the type as a string. So in the value, I am giving the instance value. Instead of hard coding our instance type in the code, we are making use of system manager parameters. Now then click on create parameter. So we can give default. So when we are trying to make use of different values, this will be useful. Just I'm giving default. Just give this name. So once you give all this, you can refer that logical ID in our instance type. Let's copy that here. So what we have given is we have created an SSM parameter type. We created with t2.micro in system manager, and we are making use of that name here in the default section. Suppose if we have different parameters, this default will help us to identify which SSM parameter we are trying to use it. So once you type this code, save this in YAML format. Now go to CloudFormation. Click on create stack. Choose the file. Click on next. Give the stack name. Just for this demo I'm giving any name. For ESG availability zone, you can choose anything. Leave the instance type as it is. So description what are we given there, you can see it here as well. Keeper, I'm giving CTW demo. If you don't have a keeper, you can create the keeper which is available under EC2 service. Click on next. Click on next. You can refer my previous videos also, like how to create a keeper. Click on create stack. This will take few minutes to create this stack. Once your stack is created, you can see that creation complete. You can check the left side as well, create complete. So go to resource section. So we can see that our instance is created. Click on this instance ID. Wait until the status check is completed. It should be 2 out of 2. Then you should be able to connect to instance. Meanwhile, we can check that what are the parameters we have passed is coming correctly here or not. So we have given like a t2.micro in the system manager. So here you can see that, and availability zone also you can see that it is US East 1A, and the key type is key name is CTW demo. So once the status check is passed, you can see it should be 2 out of 2 check passed. So select your public IP, go to your terminal. You can use any terminal. I am using MobaXterm. Username is EC2-user. Click enter. You should be able to connect to it. So this is how we can make use of SSM parameter type in AWS Cloud Formation. Once you are tested, you are able to connect to it. If you want to delete the resource, again go back to Cloud Formation. If you don't want, simply click on delete. Make sure you are deleting the correct stack. Otherwise, you will be deleting all the resources in your environment. Make sure you delete the right stack. You can check the events. So when the stack is deleted, you won't be seeing the stack name also on the left side. It will be removed as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.